Yo, what's up, YouTube? Damn, it's fucking hot as fuck today. Anyways, today's project, I'll be replacing this European switch on my Golf Gti. As you can see, they're slightly different. The only difference with this switch is that you have the option to ride around the city with your fog lights on, and compared to the one that came with the car, which you have to turn on your headlights and then pull it and then activate your fog lights. But yeah, so the only reason why I got this because I want to ride around the city with my fog lights on. I've seen a couple cars like that, and I really like that style or that look, so that's why I got it. Oh, then I also bought some HIDs. They're like 3000K HIDs, so they're pure yellow, and which I'll be showing you right now. So I just want to show you guys how it looks before and after. So we turn on the lights and then pull it back, turn on the fog lights. They're kind of dim, like the ones that came with the car. Oh shit, are they even on? I don't think they're on. What the hell? Oh, you know what, that's right. So I replaced the AC compressor on this car, and whenever I took the bumper off, I disconnected the fog lights because I knew I was going to replace them soon anyways with these. So these are the 3000K HIDs. They're pure yellow, like I said. So the batteries are in this little box, and this is where the European switch came in. Well, I guess I'll just walk you through the process. We can get started now. Alright. So we want to turn it. Alright, so the way you take this thing off, it's pretty simple. You just like push it in. As you can see, you push it in and then you twist it. There we go. So you push it in and then turn right and then pull it back. And then you just like unclip this little clip right there, which will go right here. So let me try and do that with one hand. There we go. As you can see, they're pretty much the same thing. Where'd you go? Aw, dang it. You see? Oh, this one has a clip. I guess I can take this one out. Hey, I got it. There we go. So you might want to take that clip off from the one that came with the car and put it on this one. Actually, I don't think you're supposed to. Yeah, this one's different. Okay, well, never mind. They're different. But it's the same process. You just like put the little clip in there and then push it in. There we go. So that was pretty simple. Just connect the clip and then just push it in there, and it should work. This auto, this is pretty much like your fog lights and then your headlights. But yeah, I forgot to mention on auto, whenever you like turn off the car, I think the lights remain turned on for like 10 seconds or so, and then they turn off by itself. Or whenever you get in the car, the light should turn on by itself. You see? So that's the option for auto, or you can just turn them off. As you can see, there's only the fog lights, but like I said, my fog lights are disconnected, so it's not gonna work. So you can turn your headlights on, and everything should work the same. So let's just get started on this these fog lights, so I can show you how well the European option is. Let's go. Alright guys, so I ran into an issue. Well, not really an issue, it's weird. But anyways, so you connect this cable, the one that came from the HID, into the ballast. And then the one that's coming out of the ballast, you hook it up to those HID cables right here. So you're left with this pin connector. But as you can see right here, this top end right there, the little notch, it's supposed to go in here like so it can clip. But if I connect it like this, the fog lights will not turn on, because I plugged it in and turned the fog lights on, it wouldn't turn on. So I figured out that, because from previous experience from having HIDs, they're kind of weird. So what you have to do is flip it over. So with this notch, it has to go upside down. So this, you flip it over, and it goes right in. And the HID should turn on now. I'm gonna test it before I put everything back together. Yep, there it goes. Alright, from this point, all you have to do is find a place for this ballast, and let me see where I can mount it. Alright. Some people buy double-sided tape and put it behind here onto the bumper. But I live in Texas, and that heat's gonna melt it right down. So I'm gonna find a place where to put it. But my best bet is with some zip ties. But I forgot to mention that the kit does come with some brackets. So it's either this or zip ties. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out right now. So I ended up wrapping this with electrical tape, just because I like to prevent things. Oh, there goes my neighbor's squishy ass truck. So yeah, anyways, if I can prevent a fire or anything, I'm gonna do it. So it's just an extra step. You don't have to do it, but I did it. And then I found this one place where I can place the HID ballast. It's right behind this right here. Instead of drilling holes into it, I'm just gonna wrap it around with a zip tie. Because I forgot I had to be somewhere at 1, and it's already 12, so I'm trying to hurry up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it backwards, like this. I'm going to do one on the bottom too. There you go. As you can see, it's nice and tight. The thing is going nowhere. So once it's secured, just go ahead and cut the zip ties. And just, hey, what up, man? How you doing? Pretty good. Yes, sir. So you just want to put all these wires right here. There we go. So now I just do pretty much the same thing that you did to take this thing off. Just reverse the steps. Put those 3 bolts in there. Then you're going to put the cover with that one screw. And that should be it. There you go, guys. So that's how you do it. And for that side, I'm not even gonna take video because it's pretty much the same steps that you do here. So I guess that's it for this vlog. Till next time.